Oh, this is so big.
Today I'm going to attempt to make this Thai street food called Pong Neng. It's a layered pancake that's fried to the size of a tennis ball. This is the one that looks similar to the original. This one is a fail, looks more like a potato. And this one I got carried away to see how large I can make it. Let me show you what it looks inside. The original Pong Neng has a small piece of sausage inside. In this one, I use a salty egg yolk instead. You see all the layers? I will show you how to do that. The recipe is just like pancake batter without the oil. So here I got my all-purpose flour, baking powder, and salt mixed together. We're gonna whisk 2 eggs with sugar until it melts. Someone broke my whisk. When the sugar has dissolved, add 1/3 of the dry ingredients and then the milk and water. So do this in batches so the clumps are easier to get rid of. You can add vanilla essence. It's optional. I didn't add any. So we want the consistency to be thick but flowy, just like pancake batter. I've always wondered why the original Pong Nengs have only a tiny piece of sausage inside. So now that I make it, I know that it needs something for the batter to stick to create that ball shape. Pong Neng is all about the fried pancake batter and not the sausage. I'm using an Asian meatball for the batter to stick to. The oil should be medium hot. I'm using a baby wok to fry this. If you have a deep pot, that will make the pancake ball more uniform in shape and color, but you won't be able to make extra large ones as it may fall off the stick. Cover the meatball with batter and dip it into the oil, then twirl it around. This twirling will create the ball shape. When the batter turns golden brown, remove it and put it on some tissue paper to absorb the excess oil. So while you're waiting for it to degrease, start frying the second one. So keep doing that, adding the batter, twirling it. Spoon out any crumbs or else they'll stick onto the pancake ball. The salty egg yolk won't stay on the stick, so I coat it with batter and deep fried it, and then I spear it with a stick.
See? I got mine.